I'll tell you, start with what Smart Pocket is. It's actually a mobile aggregation platform for loyalty and customer engagement. What we try to do is take all of those loyalty engagements, take the card out of them, and put all of that in your mobile phone as a wallet. So it's a aggregation of all these loyalty relationships, and they extend beyond loyalty. They become customer engagement relationships between you and the brand.
Hey, I'm Karthik, CEO co-founder of DataWeave. We have a product called PriceWeave which offers analytics in the retail space. We mainly provide analytics around competitive intelligence, around pricing optimization, around assortment and merchandising analytics, both for the retail, which includes categories across electronics, apparel and others. We've been in the market for 3 years, and most of the leading retailers and brands in India, Southeast Asia are our customers, and we've recently launched in the US.
Hi, my name is Prima Donna from Keypoint Technologies. Keypoint Technologies is a language technology player in the mobile device space. What we do is we enable text entry on mobile devices in 120 languages globally. And currently we are here to showcase Explori, our most innovative product where we connect brands to consumers at their point of intent. We do this by understanding the language and conversational intent of users, and we enable this in 120 languages.
So our company name is Drone Study. We are basically into e-learning. E-learning is a big market. According to Economics Time, in India, it's a market of 400,000 crores. So there is a big opportunity here. We have set up a research lab where we research that what are the habits of the students when they are learning. We have launched our website and app, which is going very well. Our traction is increasing day by day. Our app rating is more than 4.2. Currently, we have 4 to 5,000 downloads of the app, and on the website, we have like 1.5 lakh users.
Hi, I'm Sagar, the CEO of Highfives. Highfives is a SaaS-based employee rewards and recognition solution on the cloud, which helps organizations manage their entire rewards and recognition processes. We partner with global clients and across countries. We help them manage their rewards and recognition programs.